guys, another vlog nyo naman. Ito, 112 Odo guys, 2-day old na ADB 160 matte white. Siyempre, nag-avail si sir ng ating pinakamalupit na package, which is Icon Terra 80 watts and Icon Premium LED version 2. Siyempre, ginamitan natin yan ng crash guard mount. Bagong-bago, crash guard mount, naka-stainless bracket, tapos at the same time, naka-powder coat na rin guys. So, demo video ko lang guys yung sinetup natin dito sa ADB 160. Ito guys is package C and nagpa-add na lang si boss ng ating mini driving light version 2 na Icon. Okay, quick setup ko lang guys, ginawa natin, napakalinis, napaka-clean. Siyempre, meron tayong mini driving light switch. Ayan, high beam, low beam. At the same time, meron din tayong controller ng Icon Terra. So, yung Icon Terra guys, ganyan yung buga niya. Ayan, solid. Bali yung half crash guard guys, dala na ng customer. So, dyan na lang din natin minount. Since may crash guard na siya. So, ayan. So, yun yung bato. Nagliliwanag dito sa shop. May passing light. Naka-off, naka-high. May passing light. Alright. Stock horn guys. Hindi na tayo naglalagay ng rapid, stock horn lang alright. Tapos high beam, blasted yellow high beam, alright. Passing light, high beam ng Icon Mini Driving Light version 2, low beam ng Icon Mini Drive version 2, alright. Passing light, switch mode ng malakas na busina which is PAA. Alright, pag ni-rapid mo guys, wala na tayong combo lights, di na tayo naglalagay. So, solid rapid lang. Tapos, solid lang din yung stock horn. Walang combo, walang rapid. Switch mode ng rapid horn. So, ganyan ka-clean guys. So, sa may mga gusto guys wish nyo lang at Tanindo Thai Concept. Ayan, available dito yan sa shop. Number 9, CP Garcia Avenue, UP Diliman, Quezon City No cut, no splice tayo. Yung mga ginamit nating materials, all Japan. Nito tape, Denso relay, syempre Japan wire, Japan fuse box lang. ADB 160, bagong-bago, 2-day old, 112 Odo pa lang yung tinakbo. Alright. Passing light, high beam passing light. Alright. Stock horn,